everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be looking at making offsets and a canopy. I did a video of this earlier before, but some people still had little few questions about this, about how to go about doing this. And what I mean is like this canopy up here on this particular jet, then we want these lines to show up a lot thicker, and the actual canopy, the glass area or plastic area, to sit in slightly. So we'll go ahead and I'll go ahead and show you how to um, do something like that. So let's go ahead and let's see here. I'm going to put a offset plane. Come up to construct offset plane. Click here, and then move this back, and then turn this on so I can see that. But right there is fine. And click OK. I'm just making this little cockpit or canopy area up here. Then I'm going to click Create Form, and I'm going to use a cylinder. And you don't have to use cylinder or anything like that. That's just what I'm going to use. Pull that back, add a few more height faces here. Click OK. Then I'm going to just shape this real quick. Okay, I'll just go ahead and use this here. Actually, I want to bring this out a little. Okay, now I just need to make this a solid. So come up the surface and patch both ends of this. Then stitch all three of these together. And now that we have a solid. Okay, now um, to do this, I'm going to create a sketch on this plane here. And I'm just going to trace this canopy area here. Just use a fit point spline. Okay, finish sketch. Then come up here to split body. And the body of the split is this. And our splitting tool is going to be this sketch that we just did. Click OK. Now we have two pieces here. So we come up here and take a look at the bodies. And we have two. These two. And we don't need this portion. Now, to do this section here, we'll just create a sketch again on this plane. And I'm going to sketch the outline of this. Another fit point spline, snap it here. And go ahead and finish sketch. Again, we're going to use a split body. This is the body of the split, and that last sketch we just sketched is that. And now we have this here. And now we have two pieces again here. A piece there. And this back piece here. Now this piece here, what we're going to do, let's go ahead and turn off these canvases here so we can see this. I just turned off the lines, that's all. So here what we're going to do now is take this piece here and we're going to use a press pull and select this. And move this down, or let's go with a -2. And that's a little bit too much, as you can see. Go ahead and edit that and make that a -1. Okay, turn the canvases back on and we'll do that back half. Again, create a sketch on this plane here. I cancel this just for now. What I do is combine these two together. Well, we don't have to do it just yet. That's okay. So let's go back to creating sketch. Again, use a fit point spline for this here. Another fit point spline for the back here. Snap it there. All right, finish sketch. Come up here to split body. This is the body of the split. And the splitting tool is going to be this. And we click OK. Now we have this here. And just like the front section, we're going to use a press pull. Click that. Select this. And we're going to move this down to -1 also. and click OK. Now we have that, and both of those are in set. Now to make this all one piece, we'll just come up here and select Combine, and the target body is going to be this, and then we're going to select this front and this back, and make sure you have on Join, and click OK. Now this is all one piece again, and let's add color to it so we can really look at this. So I'm going to add glass, but first let me change this to faces up here. And I'm going to use color density. Okay, now that's a body. And you can see we have that now. And you can see this sits down slightly in here like we want it to. So this sticks out higher. The frame of this sticks out higher than the actual clear canopy area in here. And that's how you do that. Nothing really complicated about it. And that's how you get that frame. So let me turn off the canvases. All right. We can turn that off too. We don't need it. And here we have our canopy area with the incest clear in here. So yeah. And that's how you do that. Anyway, that's going to do it for this video. And if you have any questions about what I've done here, just leave them down in the comments or contact me on my Facebook group or my Patreon site. Both are called CAD Build Fly RC. And if you can, go over there on my Patreon site, have a look around. And if you can, become a paid member. It's only $5 a month. And you'll have access to the files that I show you guys how to model things here on my YouTube channel. And like I said, it's only $5 a month. You can download them as many as you want. And yeah, again, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well, and that like button also. Really helps my channel grow, and I really appreciate it. So yeah, anyway, that's going to do it for this short little video, and I will catch you in the next one.
Subscribe for more.